What is up, YouTube? I hope you had a happy holidays and a happy new year.
What?
As I mentioned in the last video, my car is not really idling, so we're going to try to tackle that today. So this time around, I really don't want to be dealing with any tuning. I kind of want to just leave it to the professionals and call it done. So I decided to go with Chaos Calibrations for my tune. So we've been having quite a bit of trouble getting the car to idle. Daniel at Chaos is suggesting that it might be mechanical, so probably tossing an ICV. So I bought this hose kit off of Rally Road. It comes with the boot that goes to the throttle body, full of hoses, some clamps, and a fitting. So luckily I saved my idle control valve from my stock intake manifold. So I'm really hoping that this resolves my issues, because frankly I'm ready to burn the car down if this doesn't work, or part it out, I don't know, whatever. Probably not. I'm probably just gonna let it sit in the garage if this doesn't work, or I'll swap it. So fortunately, I already have a billet ICV plug, and I just have an end cap on it. Gotta take that out and put all of these new bits and bops on. Oh, it's a glove, and we should be good to go. Okay, so it's no longer nighttime. I finally got everything installed. It's not really the best fit in the world, but it'll do. I don't even think you can see anything. But yeah, got everything installed. Let's see if this fixes my issues. So I put a quick base map together, just to try to see if the car will idle as I wait for my other base map from Chaos. Just as a reminder, the car isn't really idling for more than 1 minute. So if we could get this car to idle for more than a minute, I think it might be problem solved. Fingers crossed. I might have jinxed myself. Here goes nothing. Okay, so I just finished uploading the tune. I really hope this works. So typically right about now the car starts to struggle. Okay, so it's better, but it's running quite a bit rich, so I'm gonna dial in a little bit more fuel down just to see if it continues to idle. But that was a good sign. That was right about a minute. Usually by this time it dies, so I think we're in business. Okay, so 2 minutes, making progress. Still a little bit rich, so let me take out some more fuel. Woo! Finally idling. But it is running stupid rich. But this is a good start. I cannot believe I'm driving this thing again. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take some logs. I already took some idling logs. I need to take some cruising around. And this car is already running kind of hot. I hope it's not a cooling issue. Long time, guys. Basically, actually more than a year. Wow. I'm super pumped. I am super pumped. I can't freaking believe it.
So I'm just cruising around, but part of my data logging is going to be going into like some kind of aggressive throttle, and let me tell you, that flutter, it seems like it got louder. This car is pretty loud, kind of obnoxious, but you know what? I like it. I can't believe I'm driving this thing around, man. I cannot believe that I'm driving this thing around, dude. Oh, this is great. Okay, so I'm gonna do third gear from 2000 to 5,000. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did I tell you guys that I put in a 10 PSI wastegate freak? It's time for another full throttle run. This time up to red line. This car is gonna be so much fun. This car is going to be so much fun. This car is going to be so much fun. How about we do another pull? Again from the bottom of third. That was weird. Fourth gear, 65 miles an hour. It seems to be what I'm assuming is on the leaner side. I'm doing a pull in third, going into fourth, and then right around 65 miles an hour. Feels a little weird. Oh, this feels good though. This feels good. Oh, I can't wait to get back to the track. How can you not smile at that? Okay, so the tune is about 90% done. There's a couple things here and there that we're trying to sort out, mainly with drivability, but wide open throttle is pretty damn good. I should be okay to go to an event if I really needed to, which I kind of don't want to until I get this sorted. It's doing this weird thing where like right now I'm stopped, I'm not pressing on the throttle, and it's kind of just revving by itself. So I don't know. So yeah, tuning's been going good, except for all these like little drivability things. It's kind of acting weird, like it just randomly revs and all this stuff. Other issues here and there, but whatever. The main thing is the car is driving, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I mean, just listen to that. So for those of you who have been following me, even though I haven't been posting much at all, I posted one video last year. Specifically for you, thank you for continuing to show up. And I guess there's no better way to close out this video than doing a little bit of a pull. No drifting because I am on the street after all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Woo-hoo-hoo!